The 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix is a classic car that embodies the spirit of American automotive. Designed in the 1960s, this iconic vehicle was a major restyle from the previous year's model, with a more conservative grille design, square driving lamps, and a narrower, body-colored headlamp bezel. The Grand Prix's sleek design and luxurious features made it a standout in its class, with a range of innovative safety features, including electronic stability control, traction control, and a range of airbags. Under the hood, the Grand Prix packed a powerful punch, with a range of engine options, including a 389 cubic 5-8 producing 306 horsepower and a 421 cubic 5-8 with tri-power producing a healthy 350 horsepower. The car's interior was just as impressive, with luxurious materials, a sleek design, and a range of comfort features, including air conditioning, cruise control, and a driver's seat with lumbar support. The 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix was a popular model, with 63,810 units sold, making it Pontiac's third best-selling model for the year. The car's originality is also noteworthy, with many of its original features still intact, including its engine compartment, three-sided washer, fluid storage bottle, jack, T3 headlamps, rubber seals, trunk mat, and spare tire cover. The car's owner, Tim Walsh, is a classic car enthusiast who appreciates the Grand Prix's originality and character, saying the originality, whether the car is pristine or just an old original, brings out the character of the car and tells the story of its life. I personally prefer original cars. The 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix is a true classic, with its sleek design, powerful engine, and luxurious features making it a standout in its class. Its originality and character make it a must-see for classic car enthusiasts, and its powerful engine and range of innovative safety features make it a fun and safe driving experience. With its comfortable interior and range of comfort features, the Grand Prix is a car that can be enjoyed by drivers and passengers alike. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just looking for a unique driving experience, the 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix is definitely worth a closer look. Its combination of style, power, and luxury make it a true icon of American automotive design, and its originality and character make it a valuable addition to any classic car collection. The Grand Prix's powerful engine and range of innovative safety features also make it a great choice for drivers who want a fun and safe driving experience. Overall, the 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix is a classic car that is sure to impress, with its sleek design, powerful engine, and luxurious features making it a standout in its class.